An oil drop carrying a charge Q is held in equilibrium by a potential difference of 600 volt between the horizontal plates. In order to hold another drop of twice the radius in equilibrium, a potential drop of 1600 volt had to be maintained. The charge on the second drop is. Now in the given case, we know the expression for electric field. Electric field intensity is nothing but force acting per unit charge, or F is equal to, let us write EQ. F is nothing but mg. Mg is equal to EQ, and here the relation between E is equal to relation between the E, V and D. E is equal to V by D, but mass is equal to volume into density into G is equal to, this is potential by distance into Q. Volume is nothing but 4/3 pi r cube, 4/3 pi r cube. Rho into G is equal to V by D into Q. So here, from the discussion and from this, V into Q, which is proportional to the R cube proportional to, this is R cube by V, and if you take Q1 by Q2, which is equal to R1 by R2 whole cube into V2 by V1. So here the charge Q1 is equal to Q. Now we have to find the Q2. Initial radius is the R, the final radius is the doubled 2R whole cube into V2 by V1. So V2 value 1600 volt, whereas the V1 value 600 volt. Taking the simplification, these two get cancelled. This is capital Q by small q2, which is equal to RR also cancel, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 8 into, this is 16 by 6, 8 ones, 8 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. So capital Q by small q2, which is equal to 1 by 3, q2 is equal to, this is the 3q. Thereby fourth option is the right option.